So these SMB shares are accessed using this SMB client, and there is another tool called enum for Linux that will automatically enumerate this SMB shares. So we are going to do this room, this day 10 of this Advent of Cyber 2. And first question they are asking is, using enum for Linux, how many users are there on Samba server? So let's first do the nmap scan. Nmap, nmap minus n, no DNS, and don't ping the live host, and then we will do the service scan and paste the IP address here and hit enter. So meanwhile I will update my notes. So just so first we are doing this nmap scan. So I will also add the hashtags smb. Yeah, thanks Par bro, thank you so much for the feedback. So okay, now my nmap scan is completed. Now let's copy this nmap scan output and let's copy it in here. So we have ran this nmap scan and we have found that these three ports are open. One is SSH and 139 and 445. So one thing about this Samba shares is this SMB protocol can run on TCP on the port 445, and this Samba can also run on this 139 via its NetBIOS. So this SMB shares can be accessed via 139 and 445 depending on the server. Now how to list the shares of this victim machine? Copy this. So there is a tool called smb client. So let's say smb client. Let's give the h for the help page. You can see IP address, and then at last you need to specify the IP address. And there is this L option to list all the uh, shares that are available on the server. So we are going to do that now. smb client minus capital L. Now paste the IP address here. Now type in your computer's password. So these are the shares enabled on this server. You can see TBFC, HR, IT, and Santa. So these three departments, maybe these two are departments, and I don't know about this Santa. Okay. So let's access these shares using this SMB client. SMB client, and we need to set double forward slash and the IP address slash, and we need to specify this share. Let's hit enter. Enter the password. It says access denied. Okay, now let's try to access another share. Enter the password. It's saying access denied. Okay, now enter the third share and type in the password. Now we have successfully logged it. We have the access to this share. So this Santa has the anonymous session sharing, so that we can directly log in and see what the contents in this folder. So let's type ls to see the contents. So we have one text file and a folder, notes from mexkitty.txt. So let's say more, note from mexkitty.txt. Hi Santa, I decided to put all of your favorite singles into this share, allowing you access it from anywhere you like. So this is just a note. So this is the directory. Let's go inside that. Type ls. So there is an empty folder. So let's see what questions they are asking. So meanwhile let's update this one. So let's copy this. So this is the command we have executed. So we can see after trying. So we have the access to the TVFC Santa. So first, using enum for Linux, how many users are there on server? Okay, we can also use the enum for Linux tool, enum for Linux, and so this there is this option called -a. So this -a option is to specify all the enumeration. So get all the information as possible as can from this IP address. So hit enter. Now it's getting a lot of information. Now target IP address is this one, and RID range, and username and the password. So enum for Linux have found that this anonymous login has been accepted by this uh, machine, and known usernames, maybe administrator, guest, uh, Kerberos ticket granting server, and domain admins, etc. So you can see these are the shares of this machine, and now we need to find number of users. So these three are the users present on the computer. You can see Mexkidi, Eager, and Elfersa. So there are three users. Now just type in the 3, and that is the answer for the first question. Now how many shares are there on the server? So using the SMB client, we have listed all our shares, and there are 4 shares. And use SMB client to log in into the shares of the SMB server. What the share does not require a password. So we have successfully logged into this TVFC Santa without any credentials. So that is the answer. And log into the share. What directory did uh, Elf Mexkidi leave for Santa? That is Jingle Tunes. There is only one directory and one file. So the directory is Jingle Tunes. So those are the questions for this room. So that room is completed. Now let's just quickly finish our notes. So you will get much more information using this enum for Linux. I highly advise to use this enum for Linux. So okay, now let's copy all this. Let's copy this one. Okay, these are the files we have got. So now one last command I want to just type in here is enum for Linux -a and the IP address. So okay, let's stop the note taking here, and we will do another room called anonymous.